What's happening, people? It's Designed Upstate, where I make content about making custom garments and entrepreneurship. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But check it. Today in the mail, we got us a package. So let's open it up and see what it is. Like a little kid when it comes to opening. Get excited. All right. So we got a package from GSGG. This is a brand that makes custom promotional gifts. Leading manufacturer of custom promotional gifts. All right. So let's take a look and see what's inside this box. All right, so let's pop this thing open. Custom embroidered patches. Look at them things. Oh my God. Let's check them out. Hold on. Custom embroidered patches. These things are crazy. Oh my God. So for y'all who don't know, I'm about to start a brand. It's going to be called We Don't Clock Out. For the entrepreneurs who's always grinding, always putting in work, and find themselves all time of the days and night inquiring about business. So that's what this brand represents. It's not up and running yet, but I'm just getting stuff in order. And these custom patches right here, A1. Oh my God, these feel so good. It's so clean. Look at the design. It's so clean. GSGG definitely looked out with these patches. They came out fire. Let's take a closer look. Let's take these out the pack. So it's 30 of them right here. Look how clean and crisp them things is. And you could heat press these on pretty much, I mean, let's find out. I'm gonna say pretty much anything, but I got a couple things I want to try a couple out on. So let's just, we're gonna play around with it to give y'all an idea. We're gonna put 3 of them to the side. The rest of this, exclusive, all right? So before I continue this video, I want to just tell you a little bit of info about GSGG and these embroidered patches. All right, so check it. You could click the link in the description and you get your low prices. You get up to 20% off. The website is gs-jj.com. They got free shipping to the US, to Canada, to the UK, to Australia. So make sure y'all take advantage of that. They offer free designs and artwork. You get the factory direct price. No, don't worry about no middleman. This is a one-stop service with over 5,000 customer reviews. They carry a variety of products like label pins, patches, stickers, challenge coins, medals, belt buckles, keychains, lanyards, wristbands, etc. They got so much. Check out the website. Check it out. I'm telling you, you're gonna go through. There's so much you could do. They customize your logos, put it on this stuff. It's amazing. I mean, look at this. I might want to. No, that might be a little too big for that. You throw it on the shirt, right, on the sleeve. But stay tuned. We're gonna put it on a couple things. With these custom patches, there's no minimum requirement. If you want just a couple, just grab a couple. You don't got to get a whole bunch. You get some, try it out, see how you like it. You know what I'm saying? They have embroidered patches, iron-on patches, sew-on patches, woven patches, and printed patches. They have plenty of patch templates and a lot of other elements in their online designer store. So make sure y'all check this out, man. I'm telling you, this is where it's gonna be. You're gonna want to mess with these patches. It's a great thing to add to your business, offer to your customer, and you know, get some more profit at the end of the day. So without further ado, let's press these patches. And this the shirt we're gonna press on. And we're gonna put that sucker right there. See how that come out. All right, so we got the heat press at 340. So I'm just gonna hit this with the elbow real quick. I'll pre-press 5 seconds. 3 fingers down, and then I align it right here. Okay, now you cover it up. Press it down for 18 seconds. Oh yeah, that's on there. Oh, that's nice. Hold on. Now this is just to give y'all an example of what you could do with the patches. So yeah, you can put them on the shirts. You can put them on a sleeve. So you know I'm gonna have to throw this baby on. But we're gonna wait a second because I also want to show y'all that you can actually put it on these hats too. Now this is an older winter hat. Obviously it's summertime, so I'm not wearing this right now, but I always wanted to press a patch on the winter hat, and I can thanks to jsgg.com. All right, we got a patch on there. That looks dope already. So go click the link in the bio if y'all want to get y'all some patches. Boom. Fresh off the press. Yep, it's on there. It's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. Now, you know, before I end this video, I gotta throw this stuff on. So y'all give me a second. Oh no, check me out with the We Don't Clock Out merch. Oh yeah. Whoo. I love it. I like it a lot. I love it. It's what I want. I wish I had this during the winter time. We've been pushing these. But check it. My honest opinion on these embroidery patches is I love them. I love it. The customer service from JSGG was good. It was great. And we went back and forth with the emails. I sent the designs. I didn't like one thing the way I sent them. They let me resend it, no issue. So y'all make sure y'all check them out. They're good people. They're about their business. They're gonna make sure their customer service is on point. And they offer so much. They got these beautiful patches and they have so much more. So y'all make sure y'all check them out. Thank you JSGG for sponsoring this video, and we out.